Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day. And when the sun sets, you asking me to come through, kick it with you. Night turn into morning dew. Then you feel it rushing and lose control. You don't wanna go slow, for sure. We both already know your place is my place. No, my place is your place. Let's face it, baby, you know all the places. My place is your place. My place, your place is my place. Just face it, no one knows my places like you do. Your places like I do. My place like you do.
Blushing, yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help hide this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long, right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now, but I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Let the sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way.
What's up guys, it's Tommy here from Adonis Dance Academy, and today in this video I'm going to show you all some easy yet awesome ways you can do a spin. There's many different ways you can spin, and it might be a little tricky for people to do a conventional spin where you spin on the toe and do basically a pirouette and bring your foot right in. So there's some easier ways that I can show you, especially for beginners. The first method I want to show you is the cross leg spin. Knowing how to pivot on your heels and toes with this move is everything. So pay attention here. I'm going to pivot on my heel, on my front foot, on my back foot. I'm going to pivot on my toe, yeah? So on the heel, on the toe. Look side on the heel, on the toe. So that's where our balance points are going to be. Now from here, we're going to spin and pivot on the heel and pivot on the toe as you spin. Spin until you get to about here, facing back. Now from here, I'm going to go onto my toes to finish off the last half of the spin. Onto my toes, I lift that one over that one and finish. Yeah? Should we rewind and go over that again? Let's do it. So, legs crossed over, heel, toe, spin, toes, over, down. Now watch me do it in real time. Cross over, spin, finish. And you can even go back the other way. And you can use that as a dance move. So you can be dancing, you can spin around, spin back around, and maybe do it again the other side. It can be quite a cool dance move to just bust out just a little bit. Don't overdo it, but you know, every now and then just do a spin and then spin backwards. Can look pretty cool.
Now I'm on my game, nothing is the same. Who am I to blame? Money made me change. Cardi in my ring when I'm switching lanes. Money in the carry on them Boeing planes. Money in the carry on them Boeing planes. Now I got $1 for all those rainy days. Ain't have a day off in like 80 days. I got hustles in like 80 ways. Kids if he won't take a lazy day. Wifey on me told me take a break. I keep going to the paper street. Then it's trips out to Montego Bay. If I take the job, bet I get it done. I said it before, I'm a one-on-one. I just caught some ones, only wearing ones. Fornicate the funds, money made me calm. Diamonds on your neck, bet they on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock a tech. You want that chain, you better cop a vest. You want the check, but can you make it stretch?